In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel job alerts on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Many of us have used job sites like Indeed to stay ahead in the job market, and setting up job alerts can be a lifesaver. However, there may come a time when you decide that you no longer want to receive these notifications. Whether you've landed a job or you just want to declutter your inbox, canceling those alerts is a breeze. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other you feel comfortable using. Once you have your browser open, head over to the Indeed website. Just type windeed.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll find yourself on the Indeed homepage in no time. Once the page loads, you'll see a few options at the top. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click the Sign In button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials. That means your email and the password associated with your Indeed account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But for this tutorial, let's assume you already have an account and just need to cancel those alerts. After you've logged in, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the same top right corner. Clicking this provides a drop-down menu where you'll see various options related to your account settings. One of these options should be Email Preferences or Settings. Click on that. Once you're in the Email Preferences or Settings section, you should find a subsection dedicated to job alerts. It might be labeled simply Job Alerts or something similar. Here, you'll see the different alerts you've set up, perhaps for industry-specific roles or certain locations. You might feel equal parts proud and overwhelmed by the number of alerts showing up here. Now, if you're ready to delete an alert, find the specific alert you want to cancel. There should be an Edit button next to each alert. When you click on that, it should provide you with options to edit the alert details. However, what you want to look for is a Delete or Cancel option. Simply click on that. You may be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to cancel this alert. Don't worry, it's just a quick safeguard. Just confirm that you want to go ahead with it. And just like poof, that alert is gone. If you have multiple job alerts you wish to cancel, you can follow the same steps for each alert until you've tidied things up to your liking. Once you've finished, don't forget to double-check that you've successfully removed the alerts you intended to cancel. Just navigate back to the Job Alerts section, and you'll see whether any remain. If everything looks good, then congratulations. You're now free from unwanted notifications cluttering your inbox. If at any point you feel like reinstating those alerts in the future, you can always come back and set them up again. Indeed makes it easy for you, so if you ever decide to look for new opportunities, you know just where to go to start receiving alerts again. So that's pretty much it. You now know how to cancel job alerts on Indeed. It's a fairly straightforward process, and I hope you found this video helpful in navigating through it. Remember, subscribing helps me to bring you more helpful tips and tutorials, so don't forget to do that if you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search or whatever endeavors you might be pursuing next.